नमस्ते, मेरा नाम सुजाना है। मैं जर्मनी से हूँ। मैं बर्लिन में रहती हूँ। अभी मैं भारत में हूँ, दिल्ली में। I'm now visiting my in-laws in Delhi because my partner is from India, and I learn Hindi with India Lingua because I want to talk to my mother-in-law and gossip with her. And I really like the Hindi classes with Rishi because he enables me to talk in, like, after 1 week I could introduce myself, and it's very nice to talk about daily stuff also. And every lesson starts with a conversation, and due to repeat everything and just talk, I learned more vocabulary for the things that were necessary in our conversations, and so it was a natural way to find into the language, and that's why I'm very happy that I found this school.